All right, taking the intake manifold off. You got to unbolt the top plate first. And yeah, that came off. So I've loosened this, so it should, in theory, just pull off with one hand. Oh, water. Throw that on there. All right, what do we got? How are we looking? Not too bad. This gasket goop though, goodness. Yeah, this has definitely been apart. Hey, how's it look from the other side? Not too bad. Little carbon buildup on the push rods, but overall not so bad. Yeah. No debris in there to speak of anyway. Alright, so yeah, that's the intake manifold. I'll do the heads next. I'll get them unbolted and loose. There's nothing too exciting about watching a bunch of bolts come out, so we'll get that done and bring it back. All right, here's the head off the passenger side. I didn't mean to take it off completely. I'm going to show you guys it getting popped off, but took all the bolts out and put a large screwdriver in there, just kind of pop it up, and popped right up and almost lost it down the bottom of the car. So yeah, I mean, it's definitely carbony. But I don't know if I'd say it's that bad. But yeah, it's definitely carbony. So I'll show you the block. Yeah, ignore the coolant in there. That's just from taking the head off. So yeah, once again, not too bad. Popped off a lot easier than I thought it was going to, I can tell you that. Definitely took me by surprise. Yeah, this side you see the rockers off, push rods out. None of the head bolts are off yet though. That's I think that is now a tomorrow project. It's warm out here and I'm getting agitated. Down there bust a knuckle, which you know, that's what happens when you work on old cars. And I lost a socket. Good thing it wasn't 10 mil, or I'd be really angry. Don't know where it went. Don't know what it bounced off of. Find it at some point. So anyway, yeah, that's the progress today. Take the other head off tomorrow. I think it was the rear cylinder. I think that's cylinder 7. I could be wrong, but I think that's cylinder 7. And apparently that's the one that had no compression. The guy told me about when I bought the car, so I didn't care since it's got a new motor. But yeah, that's it. Time to go outside and take a load off for a while. Okay, got this head unbolted, all the bolts out, popped it with the screwdriver. Didn't come off this time, so I can at least show you the process of yanking this sucker off. Oh, come on, let go. No, something's plugged in. Oh, body ground. Okay, 2 seconds. Didn't even notice that. Couldn't even see the ground wire back there. Come on, there we go. There we go. Oh. Alright, I got it off. put you on the handheld mount. Give me a sec. All right, here's the driver's side head. This is the front. Going along. That one's a little gooey. That one's not bad. This one, however, yeah, I think there was a head gasket leak on this one somewhere. Hard to tell where, probably right there. Yeah, really oily. So, I'll show you the engine. Super bad lighting. Yeah. These guys are really full of carbon. Yeah, that's a huge chunk of weight taken off. I think I'll maybe do the water pump tomorrow. See what else I can do with the steering pump. Yeah, it's definitely coming along. Making decent progress with the weight loss. The car anyway. All right, got the water pump off. Our steering pump is over here. Actually broke the bracket. That's okay, it'll all be new. Yeah, at some point in time, get this motor pulled. I don't think it'll be anytime soon. So get in here and degrease the snot out of this. Got all the wires, wiring harness just tied up, zip strapped. Tires back on. Put it down on the ground eventually, and not sure what I'll do next. Rest assured, that kill switch is getting taken out. There'll probably be one on the inside somewhere, but not there. Yeah, I think I might put it on the ground, get that bodywork started, get it sand down anyway, and see what it is I'm dealing with. So yeah, there we go. A well stripped 84 Corvette. Pretty sure it's just a base model because, man, it didn't have anything fancy. Yeah. So yeah, this might be the end of this video. Be super short, or I might add something. We'll see. I got time. All right, good morning. As you can see, the garage, again, has gotten away from me. So I won't film it, but I got to clean up the garage. I'd like to actually roll the Vette in here today, see how much room it actually takes up, so I know what kind of work I can do to it. The hood's going to be in the way, but I'm not moving that by myself again. All these parts, put them somewhere. Well, most of them are crap, but I'll take them somewhere for proper disposal. Yeah, been lazy. Absolute mess. None of my tools are put away. Yeah, all those years that my dad told me to put my tools away and I still don't. Yeah, this week's video was a bit short, so I'm just going to add this. So I won't show it, but yeah, get this all cleaned up. Bring you guys back when I roll the car in. See how that goes. Well, I didn't get as much done as I wanted, but got this workbench cleaned up. Just the heads on here still. And the new mirrors that you've seen. Yeah, that's just what's left of the crap on the floor. This will all go. Might sell the valve covers, I'm not sure. Everything else is kind of busted and useless. Still gotta figure out a way to get the hood out of this room somewhere else. But yeah, got all the recycling garbage cleaned up. This bench, however, nah, made absolutely no headway. Actually, I think I piled a little more on there. So yeah, I've actually posted on Facebook locally here, looking for a mobile welder fabricator to finally get my floorboard done. Cut that crap out. use the donor car that I have to replace the floor in that section. So yeah, we'll see how that goes, see who responds. But yeah, this week's video is short. Didn't have a whole lot to do. Really unsure what I'm gonna do for next week's video. I might start that body work. Yeah, we'll see. Anyway, you know, like, share, subscribe, click the bell, all that stuff. Till next time.